While natural remedies can provide relief for some individuals, it's important to note that they may not completely eliminate knee and joint pain for everyone. However, they can be used as complementary approaches alongside conventional treatments. Here are some natural remedies that may help alleviate knee and joint pain. Exercise. Engaging in low-impact exercises, such as swimming, cycling, or walking, can help strengthen the muscles around the joints and improve joint flexibility. Consult with a healthcare professional or a physical therapist to determine the most suitable exercises for your condition. Weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight can reduce stress on the joints, particularly the knees. Excess weight can exacerbate knee and joint pain, so adopting a balanced diet and regular exercise routine can help manage pain levels. Hot and cold therapy. Applying a hot compress or taking a warm shower can help relax muscles and relieve stiffness. Cold therapy, such as ice packs or cold compresses, can reduce inflammation and numb the area, providing temporary pain relief. Herbal remedies. Certain herbs and supplements have shown potential benefits for joint health. Examples include turmeric, ginger, Boswellia serrata, and devil's claw. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new herbal remedies or supplements, as they can interact with medications or have side effects. Massage and manual therapy. Massage can help improve blood circulation, reduce muscle tension, and relieve joint pain. Manual therapies such as chiropractic adjustments or osteopathic manipulation may also provide relief for some individuals. Acupuncture. Acupuncture involves the insertion of thin needles into specific points of the body. It has been used for centuries to manage pain, including knee and joint pain. Some people find acupuncture helpful in reducing pain and improving mobility, although more research is needed to fully understand its effectiveness. Mind-body techniques. Practices like yoga, tai chi, and meditation can help improve flexibility, reduce stress, and promote relaxation. These techniques may contribute to overall well-being and potentially alleviate knee and joint pain. Remember, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional or a qualified specialist before trying any natural remedies, especially if you have an underlying medical condition or are taking medications. They can provide personalized guidance and ensure that the chosen remedies are safe and appropriate for your specific situation.